Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So I got a little mail call. Got some items from Hobby Nut Models today. So Mark down at Hobby Nut Models, he does support the channel. So Mark, I really appreciate that. So a couple kits that we received today, and I got some paints. We're gonna do an unboxing on one of the kits, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. We're just gonna get right on it. So first off, very cool model. The 1969 F100 custom cab Ford pickup from Mobius. Super cool kit. I mean, I love this kit. I mean, how cool is that? You don't get any cooler than that. So what really got me on this kit was the 240 straight six. I mean, you don't see a lot of 6-cylinders in these kits these days, and I think that's really cool. It doesn't have the Big Brother 300 in it. That was later in life, but I really like that. I think that's really cool. So I would like to build a shop truck for my model room, something with my name on it or whatnot. And I know a lot of you guys out there with a lot of channels, everybody's built one of those over the time. I just haven't gotten on it yet to do one, so this is a really good candidate for that. I'm not sure if I'd run the 6-cylinder. I like the 6, but being it's going to be a custom truck, it might have to have a custom engine, you know what I mean? Because it is a custom cab. So yeah, either this truck or the 94 Lightning or even the 99 Lightning would be also good candidates for that. But yeah, so this may happen in time. I might open this up later on, but not this time around. We'll show you what else we got. So next kit, this is really cool, and once again, Mark, I appreciate you sending this to me. Got the Aoshima Lamborghini Huracan Performante. So very cool kit. This is a very detailed kit. I had opened it just one time here, and like I say, very cool car. I believe this is like a 2018 if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, but very cool kit. So I'm going to take this over the bench, and we're going to do an unboxing of this, and we'll see what you get in the box, see all the goodies, and we'll go from there. So let me take you over to the bench, and let's do an opening and unboxing of this and see what you get inside. Okay guys, so the paint we received today, we have some flat red. I've mainly got this for some interior work. I'm going to do the white Fox Body Mustang, so I'm going to use that in there. We got some black, some semi-gloss black, some flat black, some NATO black, rubber black, and some dark iron. This is a very cool color. Very cool. Then we got some MCW finishes. We got some clear coat hardener, some dark gloss blue, some semi-gloss black, light gunmetal metallic. I tell you what, this is a very cool color. I mean, check that out. Isn't that nice? And then we got the black cherry. So eventually I'd like to do the 86 Monte Carlo kit, and that was an original color from back in the day, so that was the purpose of that one. So yeah, so other than that, let's get this Huracan unboxed from Aoshima, and we'll see what's inside. Let's take a look. Alright guys, let's dive right into this Aoshima 124 scale Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Very cool car. Like I say, I believe it is a 2018 model. So very nice kit. So we have our clear glass, and I tell you, I'm going to leave this in the plastic. I'm going to leave most of this kit in the plastic. Just because I don't want to get, there's a lot of left and right, and there's a lot of small, really unique details to this. So sorry for some of the glare if there is some there. I apologize that ahead of time, because I know that's frustrating to watch, and you see that and you're like, come on man, move the glare out of the way. I get it. So like I say, really cool. You get some side windows in here, a lot of glass. There's some headlight detail. You get your kind of your glass for the back engine cover. Very neat. And I had opened this kit previously, and I did open one bag because there was a part in there I thought was tweaked, and I opened it ahead of time. So there is one piece out of there, or I should say a bag is open. So there is that. So this here, we have our front nose piece. Very nice detail. And I tell you what, this kit has no flash on it. I mean, it's like a Tamiya kit, just zero flash. Very crisp, very clean. Super cool looking. So this is the insert that goes in behind here, it looks like. Then you got your top engine cover, which mounts in the back. And this piece here, we have some more. Looks like this also fits inside that engine cover. And then we have some of our bottom side skirt pieces here. And this looks like the edging of the side skirts. And looks like a mirror. And looks like we got another mirror that's flip-flopped down. Oh, yep, she's flopping around down there. I got you. So check out this here. We got our taillight assembly. Look how nice and fine that red. And then the amber for the turn signal. That is even smaller yet. Very nice, very nice. So like I mentioned, I opened this up here already. So we got our engine detail. So I see the engine detail is not as probably as detailed as you probably would think it'd be, but I tell you, once this is assembled in the car, you're only going to see just a few pieces of it because it's so stuffed in there. So they basically detail what you're going to see, which is okay with me. It's not like I'm going to put it in a diorama and put it on a stand or something, you know. So we have our transaxle, axle assembly, and our engine block, some exhaust, some heads, front cover, rear cover. So very nice. It's kind of nice to put it in a little different colors. And the other piece that was in this same plastic bag that I had previously opened, we have some more engine bay accessories. We have our air intake with our dual throttle body and air cleaners. Looks like we got some radiators or some possible air duct. Looks like a rear spoiler. And we have our part for our rear valance. So like I say, a lot of things going on in this kit. That's why I want to take a lot of it out of the bags just to keep it together, you know what I mean? So we got another glass piece here. I'd have to look and see what this is for. I do know these real tiny little pieces here. Get the light out of there. These are the front marker lights that go in front of the front tires into the body. So very nice little detail there. We got that sweet Lamborghini dashboard, huge, like a park bench type thing, massive. Like I say, I don't know if this is for dual kits or whatnot, because we have another intake assembly. So we got our steering wheel console, and if I remember, I was looking through this before, so check this out, it's really cool. We got our paddle shifts that go behind the steering wheel, all separate, so very neat. Like I say, we got our rear valances here. So we got this real cool, sharp looking 124 scale body here. And like, it just amazes me there's like zero flash on this. It's just super clean. So this should look pretty nice painted up. I mean, this should look pretty good. Kind of debating on what color to go with this yet. I do like the color it's on the box. It's pretty cool looking. And we have some interior pieces. We have our door panels. We have a headliner. I mean, how many kits you see that actually comes with a headliner? How cool is that? This looks like the back valance for behind the seat. That looks like your rear window goes in there. And then you have your front seats, the seat backs. And we got a small chrome tree here. Looks like your headlight buckets are in here. And some other small accessories. Very nice. Like I say, there's a lot going on in this kit. So we have our rubber band tires here. Really nice, really nice. They got some nice tread detail on those. I don't know if you can see that or not through the plastic. We're going to zoom in on it or not. Probably not. It's just how things are. And then we have, looks like our floor pan and some more chrome detail. I'm not sure what part those might be for. And then we have some more engine cover pieces. And we have our calipers and rotors. Those are very nicely detailed. So those will paint up in detail really good. And a few other assortment pieces here. We have our inner fenders. And we got some wiper blade action going on. And we have our rims. So these rims were in the package that I opened previously. So check out how wide those are. Those things are huge. Very cool. So those will detail out really nice. I see in the box art, these are in gold with the kind of the orangish color body. We have some decals. Let me open these up here. So this is really cool. I love it when they do this. They give you a mask sheet for masking the windows. You know, not a lot of companies do this, you know, and I know there's a lot of places out there you can buy these separately. And very, very cool that they give these to you in the kit. You mask for your front windshield so you can put them on and paint the black around the edges. That is so awesome they do that, just to give you that really nice, realistic look. So you got your side window detail and the hood under the kind of the engine hood, I guess, for the back. So you can see where the cutout is here, and they give you the cutout. I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not. They cut this out around here, like almost where a camera would be, or your like your mirror assembly would sit in there. So it's really cool they give you that cutout for that. And our decals, got some really cool decals in here. Let me get this paper up here. So check those out. That's some really nice decal sheet. And if I turn it this way, it even looks cooler yet. Look at that. So I like they give you the different clusters. A lot of cars today have the different unique changeable clusters. So they give you different options in here on what you're, depending on what race mode you're looking to be in at the time you build it. And you can change that up. And they give you your center caps for your rims. Then you get the Italian flags for the doors. So very cool. A lot of detail in there. And a lot of options you can put in. So let's look at the instructions. So very nice instruction sheet. Very thick. It's like a small catalog, small booklet. Not sure what we're trying to say here. I don't know the lingo. So it's nice they give you a paint guide, so you can go through and see if you want to paint it to their spec. And I see they're using Mr.Color. Very nice. Very nice. Using the good stuff. So going through, they give you kind of an overall on what color things should be. Your license plate, your decal setup, I should say. Start off, that's kind of unusual. They give it to you right off the get-go. I thought that's usually in the back part of the page, but to give you a little heads up what it's supposed to look like ahead of time. And the colors before you get started is probably a good idea, so you know what should be what. So they have you starting out in your floor pan, and I thought this was kind of cool. They give you a piece for a display base, which I'm assuming it's something you're going to purchase separately. I have not looked into that to see, and hardware is not included, but they do give you this plastic piece for a base. Like I said, once again, you got some really nice brake detail, and it's pretty cool. They give you, you get decals for the brakes, says Lamborghini on the caliper. They give you your paint guide on how to paint that, and like I say, you got your chassis installation, assembly, and you got your transaxle, your engine block, and your exhaust, and a complete engine assembly. So it's pretty basic layout here. So they got you having a little trimming going on. So you're cutting this, looks like the left inner fender. They're having you cut 6 millimeters off here for some reason. Like I say, these might be pieces for multiple kits. I'm not sure. Not too big a deal. I'm sure if you don't get that 100% correct, it's probably going to be somewhat covered anyways. And once again, they give you some nice detail on how to paint this along with your decal sheets. Same as with the seats. So pretty nice setup here on how they have you put this together. A lot of details for the steering wheel and all your interior pieces, as they refer to as the cockpit assembly. So they have you assembling everything with the struts, wheels, and tires. So you have an inside and outside tire. Front and rear are obviously thicker than the others. So you have your radiators going behind the front valance, your kind of your core support, I guess you'd go with. And you do have some, looks like, oh, I see, optional part. That'd be just a license plate. So you got your headlight detail. I got a wiper blade, and we're putting in that headliner, and
This is really cool here, like I was showing you on that decal where you cut that out for either rearview mirror. So that's your masking that they give you, so all this will be black. That's very nice. Like I say, a lot of detailed instructions here. So same thing here, black out the side windows, and then you have your side skirts. A lot going on for that rear tail lamp assembly. Very neat. So this is that little amber piece I was showing you earlier, and then you have your clear red, and then you have pieces over top. So once you build that up, you basically just see the little ends of it. So that should look pretty sharp once it's assembled. And then you're filing up the engine hood assembly. Once again, you're masking off that back glass piece. And here's those little strut rods I saw in the package. They're just two little pieces of, almost looks like just pins, you know, just small pins that you hook in there to display the engine bay, which is very nice. So final assembly, body down, putting your rear spoiler on, hanging some mirrors on it, and your kit is completed. So very nice instruction sheet, really nicely laid out, detailed. And on the back you get the whole assembly of what comes in the box. So very cool. Everything out in the open. So that's pretty nice. And you can get some service after the sales if you have some complaints or problems with tree number so and so. They give you all the specific details. Very nice. Yeah, so I think it's a really cool kit. So I thought I'd show this to you guys, and the Lamborghini Huracan by Aoshima. And like I say, if you guys are interested in a kit like this or a kit similar to this, you can get a hold of Hobby Nut Models and check out their website. He has a lot of different models down there of the Lamborghini. And if you're not in the Lamborghini, he's got a lot of Porsches and Mercedes and BMWs and what have you. There's a lot of different choices down there. So if you go down and check their website out, he has a lot of there. And if he does not have it in stock, his website has an area where you can be notified, and when it does come available, he can get with you and hook you up with one. So yeah, so like I say, appreciate that, Mark, for sending that over to me. It's a very cool kit, and we will get on this here soon. Be really interested in building this one. So like I say, I've never built an Aoshima kit. I've seen a lot of guys building these online, and they look like a really nice kit. So other than that, guys, I appreciate you tuning in and following along on this and checking out the channel, and we will see you on the next video. You guys have a good one. We'll talk to you later.